TARC Limited Q3 FY26 Business Update, Luxury Projects Near Delivery, Cash Flows Strengthen. TARC Limited is entering a new phase of growth as it advances its luxury residential portfolio with a strong focus on execution, deliveries, and future-ready development planning. The New Delhi-based luxury real estate developer continues to build momentum through steady sales, improving cash flows, and visible progress across key projects, positioning itself for sustained long-term growth. During the quarter ended December 31, 2025, TARC reported healthy business traction, supported by steady customer demand, robust collections, and advancement in construction milestones. For the first 9 months of FY26, the company recorded sales of 977 crore rupees and collections of 603 crore rupees. Total business cash flows for FY26 year-to-date stood at 910 crore rupees, reflecting improved liquidity and operational strength. In Q3 FY26 alone, sales amounted to 412 crore rupees, while business cash flows reached 264 crore rupees. TARC's liquidity position remains strong, aided by consistent collections, progress in project execution, and increased monetization of inventory. Management highlighted that the company's delivery-led approach is now translating demand into actual on-ground execution, strengthening cash flow visibility and balance sheet stability. Key projects across regions continue to move forward. In South Delhi, TARC Tripundra achieved a major milestone with the receipt of the occupation certificate. Customer intimations for possession have already begun, with formal handovers expected shortly. This development is set to enable revenue recognition and unlock incremental cash flows. In West Delhi, TARC Kalasa has unveiled a new sample apartment and sales gallery, offering buyers a clear view of the project's premium positioning and lifestyle offering. The company is also preparing to launch the most premium tower within the development, which is expected to support higher sales and improved value realization. Meanwhile, TARC Ishwar in Gurugram continues to see strong end-user demand, with most of the inventory already sold. Construction remains on track, and the company has secured all statutory approvals for the next phase, with sales expected to commence within the current quarter. Commenting on the progress, Managing Director and CEO Mr. Amar Saran stated that TARC is actively shaping its next set of developments under a clearly defined long-term vision. He added that upcoming projects are being thoughtfully planned and curated, reinforcing confidence as the company moves into the next chapter of luxury living. Overall, TARC Limited's Q3 FY26 update reflects a transition into a delivery-driven growth phase, supported by strong execution, rising cash flows, and a promising pipeline of future luxury developments.